let's head on out. Shut my garage door real quick. All right, makes it nice with the app. Head on out for a quick run. We just got sod, so I've been trying to keep it all watered down, and that's like a never-ending task just because you have to water constantly every little spot in your yard all day long. But this is my new neighborhood. I know you guys gave you a little tour of the house. If you haven't seen my new house as of right now, I'll post a link up there at the top. Go definitely check that out. Excited to be finally in there with it fully built now. We started building in January, so end of January we broke ground. And it's just, we wanted to get to the area that we wanted to get at. So the main point of this video, right, is it's the first thing that any tuned BMW should be using in their car when they're out driving. So I got 3 freaking trains all right next to my house. Oh! I gotta let my car warm up. It's definitely cold. But the main thing you're gonna want to do and have and run on your car all the time is your data logging, right? So since I have the JB4 mobile app, I just quickly go into it just like this. It's very easy, very quick. I don't have to try to fumble around. It's going to auto connect via Bluetooth, so just like that, already auto connects. I use my little vent clip here that I've been using for probably about 5 years now. I had it for a while. I know it's not a magnetic clip, but it slides right over, fits perfect with the vent, and I never have any issues with it falling out. But having it on your car, right, and running something to data log your car just on the fly, just normal driving, it's what you should always do. I mean, you got your gauges here, you got IAT, I have water temp, a high pressure fuel pump, low pressure fuel pump, and then AFRs for both banks. Now you can change whichever one you want. You don't have to have just these 6. You can control whatever you would like to control. But just with normal driving, you can see if you have any AFR weird wacky readings. Now with the JB4, if you let off the gas like I am letting now, both AFRs will spike 20, so that's normal until you press the gas again. IATs are at 71 right now. It's 65 degrees outside, just normal driving, of course. But even when driving, you can check your codes, just see what else is on there. I'm gonna quickly do that. So if you want to do a log, then you could just press the log button. You don't have to be open throttle to be able to log at all. If you don't already know, I have Forge Motorsport diverter valves. They are vent to atmosphere with 15 to 23 psi internal upgraded springs, and then CPE charge pipe for that. And you can hear the blow off, you know, because it's doing the same thing. It's just diverting the sound out and not back through the charge pipe again. That was a nice pull. Alright guys, just coming on home now. Quick little drive. Make sure to run your data logging apps, so that way you can ensure your car is running properly. Do the logs, check the codes, review them, check your gauges, right? Just your normal on-the-fly gauges. See how everything's shaking out. Take care, guys, and hope you have a great weekend.